Take a breath. Let it go. You are in the rainforest canopy, high above the ground. Warm air on your skin. Distant sounds of birds. Everything is still, except the trees. A wide branch stretches ahead, it's covered in moss. Soft under your feet, you begin walking slowly. The forest opens around you, treetops, bird calls, the sound of leaves moving in the wind. Then a flash of red and blue, a macaw lands ahead. It turns to face you, it watches, and then it speaks. It's okay to take up space. You don't need to believe it. You don't have to agree. Just notice what happens inside you. Do you feel tension? Do you feel stillness? Is there a memory, a voice that says, no, it isn't. I'm too much. It's not safe. Let that part speak. Let it be here. Now ask gently, where did this come from? Was it something you were told, something you remember? Being laughed at, being told to be quiet, someone's face when you took up too much room. Let the moment surface. Don't search for it, just wait. Let it come as a feeling, a posture, a flicker of memory. You don't have to understand it, just be with it. The macaw stays quiet, still watching. It drops a feather at your feet, red with a gold tip. You pick it up, it's light, it's real. You turn and walk back slowly, not because anything is resolved, but because something has been seen. You carry the feather, and you carry the resistance. You return to your body, to this moment, to your breath. You don't have to hold the belief, just the awareness it's stirred. It's okay to take up space. It's okay to take up space. It's okay to take up space.